Please tell me, how can you be productive when you use more than 10 tools to perform one task? Yes. This time, multitasking is not why you are unproductive, but using too many tools. Many of us are falling into that trap, right? Well, when you have an abundance of tools just for your everyday work, it can eventually hurt your productivity. And it's like multitasking with tools instead of focusing on your task. But don't worry, I've got some simple solutions for you. First, find tools that can handle multiple tasks at once. Look for those versatile gems that can cover several bases, saving you time and energy. Secondly, choose tools that sync up easily with one another. When your tools work seamlessly together, it's like having a productivity dream team. Decluster your tools collection and streamline your work processes. By simplifying and syncing your tools, you boost your productivity and make your life so much easier. So are you ready to ditch the tools overload? Then find those all-in-one tools and create a harmonious workflow. You've got this.